A major severe weather outbreak is possible across the plains later today and tonight. There is an enhanced risk of severe storms across parts of western Kansas and from northwestern Texas into southwestern Oklahoma. The primary threats include damaging winds, very large hail, and tornadoes. A few strong tornadoes are possible, especially across western Kansas. Here is a look at the latest computer model forecast. If you enjoyed this content, kindly subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future weather alerts. Thanks for watching.